What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Moonbuilt Garage. Today, gonna be a little bit different of a video. Today, going on a field trip. All right, so I'm here at BB Recycling. It's in downtown Las Vegas. I actually found out about this place from Airgas about a couple months ago, I guess it was. I did a video where I wanted to extend the spring pockets on the D100. So when I went to refill my welding bottle, I had asked Airgas if they had any old bottles they wanted to get rid of so that I could cut the spacer out of that. They said they didn't, but the attendant there turned me on to this place. And this place is badass. I mean, like I said in that video, I bought that bottle. It was an old nitrogen bottle. I bought it for scrap. So I think I paid like $16 and change. And I think the price was like 63 or 68 cents a pound, something like that. Whatever, it doesn't really matter. But I got the opportunity to walk around this place and check it out. And yeah, this place is like an adult toy store. Not that kind of adult toy store. But it's really cool. They had a whole lot of really cool stuff. So I thought I've been wanting to come down here and give you guys a look at this place. So let's head in and see what they got. All right, so just walking around the yard a little bit, checking things out. They actually have a cabinet over there I'm really considering for like part storage. Maybe get rid of some of those Harbor Freight Sortimo things. But I mean, all kinds of stuff out here. Hell, they even got, they need an axle. Still on a pallet. This thing, look at that thing. Wonder how much they want for that. I don't know what I ever do with it, but I mean, they got barrels out here. They need there's all kinds of stuff out here. You can just come out here, walk around. I was talked with a couple of the guys, made sure it was good. You know, I talked to the manager and the assistant manager, just made sure it was okay to be out here walking around. He's like, oh yeah, help yourself. You know, let us know if you need anything. I wanted to show you guys like where I got my empty nitrogen bottle, but I guess that's a different part of the yard, and you have to be with someone over there because you got to have a hard hat. That's the actual recycling center of this place. Oop. But I mean, there is just, empty barrels, all kinds of stuff. Carts. There's some different types of carts over there. So I'm just gonna keep wandering around and see. Metal racks. I mean, this place they got all kinds of cool stuff out here. Now that I have time, I can actually give it a walkthrough. Like I said, when I was out here the first time I bought that bottle, I really wanted to take some time to look around. I just didn't have the opportunity. So, I mean, there's all kinds of these water storage tanks out here. Now, I know what these go for new. I'd be curious to know what they get for them here. They're all over the place. There's a bunch of them out here. Let's walk through here. Anybody want a motorcycle? It's just just sitting out here. That might not be a... I don't know if that's somebody's or if that's actual. Just sitting out here. Doesn't look too bad, so I'm assuming that might actually be somebody's that works here. Anybody want a mall kiosk? I mean, this place is nuts. Look at this. It's in more towers. You may want to build a set of golf clubs. They got a few to choose from. Check this thing out. This is crazy. Just the assortment of stuff out here. I mean, there's all medical equipment. I remember seeing other medical equipment out here last time I was here. Aluminum ladders. I mean, there's just, you walk around and you just see stuff like all kinds of stuff. But I mean, stuff like this, you know, if you were looking for some thick plate, you could get that probably for cost here rather than going to a steel yard and buying it. You may want to try to refurb a bandsaw. Huh. Kind of makes you think a little bit. All kinds, like I said, metal racks. I mean, if you're outfitting a shop and you need shelving, racks, check out your local salvage yards, man. I mean, who knows what you might find? You never know. Got a man lift. They want a man lift? Some old ladders, fiberglass ladders over there. I mean, this is pretty neat stuff. This is just a cool place to come out and walk around, see what they got. There's already, like I said, there's already a set of drawers that I'm really considering getting for the price. Be great for part storage. Throw some casters underneath it, make it really convenient. But I know those things go for, the one that I saw, go for a lot of money brand new. And they only want like $100 for it. And I was looking at it and it's in good shape. All the drawers work, everything. About a steel sink. It'd be one hell of a shop sink, wouldn't it? Probably find one out here if you needed one. About an old mongoose bicycle. So there's all kinds of these racks. Probably get them for real cheap. Industrial refrigerator or warmer. That's a warmer. Huh. You want a grill? There you go. I know they keep like the really good stuff closer to the front. That's kind of where I saw that shelf. There's also, you know, metal filing cabinets, which again make really good toolboxes for your garage. If you wanted to, you can come out to your local salvage yard, probably find some old filing cabinets, and like I said, get them for cheap. I looked at this one originally, but the drawers are kind of, they're not too terribly bad. They might be all right. That's a larger one though. I was hoping to find like a flam cabinet out here, but I haven't seen one yet. But definitely keep my eyes open for one. What's that? Got some metal shelving. They got lockers. Like old work lockers or something. Victoria's Secret. Lock your locker. Pretty neat. I'm gonna turn this off here and just do a little more looking around, and if I see anything cool, I'll turn the camera back on. Warm out there. There you go, guys. I mean, that place, there's stuff stashed everywhere. So, you know, it's kind of one of those places that, I don't know, to me, I never really thought about trying to find some place like that for, you know, odds and ends stuff or just kind of off the wall stuff. Said everyone there is, you know, really good to work with. You know, they were more than happy to let me look around, see what I could find. So, you know, if you're looking for something odd, see if you got a local like recycling or salvage place around you that you might be able to go and check out. I mean, like I said, there is stuff stashed everywhere. I could easily spend all day out there like digging through stuff and really poking around, especially if I had the truck with me. If I had the D100 with me, that would have been dangerous because I definitely would have walked out with that set of drawers. I may still come back for those. I don't know yet. Possibly. Maybe. I don't know. I got to think about that on the way home. But yeah, so if you go to some place like that, be prepared. I mean, unless you just want to poke around and not be tempted to buy something, kind of like that's why I took the Charger today and not the D100. But yeah, that's really about it, guys. Just a real kind of quick video, something a little bit different. Had to get out of the garage today. Waiting on parts for the D100, so I figured it's a good day for a field trip. And it's starting to get hot here in Vegas, but luckily it's only like 90 today. This type of stuff I'm going to try to do more before it starts to get too hot. Maybe I'll go do a junkyard crawl another day. I don't know. There's a couple of places I wouldn't mind checking out and actually taking you guys along. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you on the next one.